Checking for boost leaks on Brian's car. We're gonna pump air on his system right around 15 psi. There's one that is showing up right here, but we're trying to find a bigger one because something small won't really affect the car too much, but a larger one will. So you want to aim that at the right here. I mean, that's decent size. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, a little bit.
Okay. And on there. Okay. And on there. Okay. So it's gonna be hard to do the bottom ones. We would have to take your bumper off, but you can hear it right here coming out.
Uh-huh. It's the pressure won't go down past this, right?
Oh, we can check that real quick. That's where your charge pipe actually starts.
Feels pretty solid, but you know.
Yeah, I don't see anything there.
Looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's mostly this guy here.
Yeah, I have a hard time believing that.
All right, well, this will be a problem here, right? It looks like the clamp still tightens pretty good, but it's coning this out completely. I don't know that it'll actually cone out more than that. So you have a couple options right now. We could, I mean, because it's pressure that's building here.
Yeah.
We could try to patch it somehow, and then until you get a replacement pipe. But then the other option would be to get a titanium elbow fabbed up. You can get that done locally by Jason. Then you would never have that issue again. I think if I have that issue,
Titanium.
I probably won't go carbon again because it's probably gonna keep happening, right? Because the Arizona heat is probably helping this kind of like get soft.
Yeah. I'll have to fucking redo these too.
Yeah, well, yeah, that'll be it's a tough one too, huh? All right, let's brainstorm something and see if we can do a temporary fix for now to see if the car runs better.
I mean, yeah, I was asking Carl because I wasn't sure how Carl's experience was. I know he had to take the kit back in.
Temporary fix. Here's some JB Weld. So the folds of carbon that were there is what was letting air pass through there. So by filling that in, now when we couple it, it should be a good temporary fix. Maybe even permanent. But that'll let us know if the car runs better. It should, I think, because if we're introducing air past the mass airflow, it would make it run like shit at low speeds. And at full speeds, what happens is your ECU starts using the program tables for air fuel. And so it bypasses almost the mass airflow. It's mostly for like low end running that it uses the sensors. And then for the top end stuff, it makes sense that it would run good. At least in theory. If we're wrong, somebody correct us in the comments. But this is what we're doing. And I think we fixed it, which is nice because it was a cheap fix.
I've just been running it around, 6,000 to 7,000 RPM everywhere I go.
Just stay on the peak of horsepower all the time. Fuck it.
Anything above 4,500, I'm like, wife's like, why are you driving like an asshole? I'm not. I'm trying to just have a little bit of power here.
You're like, I'm trying not to embarrass you while we drive.
Why are we doing 45 at in second, our first gear.
Kit's still holding up good. Brian has like version 2, I think. All right, we're waiting for this to set and then we'll throw everything back together. So Brian went to go test his car to see if our fix will work right, and you guys will probably hear him. I hear him. So you should hear him be doing a pull over on that side. Hopefully he doesn't get pulled over. I hear him doing pulls all over the neighborhood. I'm hoping we have a good news because it sounds pretty good. There he is. He's all smiling.